Yeah, last video for the day before I go to sleep. It's been a very long day. So, Panyaza Lusufi is rolling out new technology. Now you'll be able to swipe and tap when you pay your taxi fare. Sounds like a good idea, but there are so many disadvantages when it comes to this. But before we get to the many disadvantages, let me quote the man himself. Panyaza Lusufi said on Twitter X, "Imagine paying a Gauteng taxi with your phone, SASA card, credit card, debit card, or prepaid temporary card. Imagine no more. We are migrating our taxi industry to a cashless environment to eliminate cash that leads to ATM bombings, cash in transit heists, and business robberies." Okay, now Panyaza Lusufi just mentioned the advantages, we'll avoid ATM bombings, robberies, and all of that. But the first disadvantage, inkunzi, like now criminals will know that inside every taxi there are people with active bank cards. Like, like it's a gold mine for criminals. They'll know for sure. They won't buy that whole thing that no, your card is not active. They'll know that you just tapped, you just swiped or something. Number two, we already have long queues at taxi ranks. Now you have to wait for someone to put their pin on the EFT machine. Like, it will take way too long. And number three, bank charges. Like, imagine if you have to swipe 4 times for 20 rands, 16 rands, 12. What the? Imagine that. Like, you'll just be eating up charges, like always, because you are always swiping and tapping. So yeah, advantages and disadvantages. I guess it's up to Panyaza Lusufi if maybe they have like an easier way of doing this, because the tapping and swiping, yeah, man, is too sensitive because people with their cards and money and all of that. But it's kind of good because we are moving forward, technology and all of that. You don't have to carry physical cash. But nowadays, criminals know you have your card and your phone and you have your app. They'll just tell you to open your phone and just clean you out. That's what they do nowadays. So, like, even though they're telling us cashless societies for us to avoid criminals so that we don't carry physical cash, the criminals will advance with the technology. They just come to you and tell you to open your phone or tell them your pin. Otherwise, or they'll tell you open your phone or tell them your pin, and then a guy will go check at the ATM if the money is actually there and then come back. So you actually don't have a chance. They'll just kidnap you and do everything they need to do. So yeah, man, this whole cashless society thing.